Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. Brit here with a full body workout. We're going to be using a little bit of weight today. So I've got some hand weights here. You can use some bottles, cans, anything you have handy to add a little bit of resistance. And let's get started with our warm up first. We're going to be doing some side steps. And I'll tell you a little bit about our workout today. Nice, good. We can get some shoulder rolls in there. Looking good. Nice. So we've got 6 exercises today. I'm going to break them up into 2 parts. We're going to be doing a standing set of 3 and then a floor set of 3. Nice. Looking good. Shrugs up and down. If you got a little bit more room, step out to the side. Nice. Looking good. Got the live crew with me this morning. And we are just warming it up here. I had a good little chat before class. And we are ready to get this week going. How about you? Right on. Okay, so give me about 3 and 2 and 1. We're going to do a little step back, and step back. So kind of almost like acting like we're going to do a lunge, but we're just going to do a little step back, a little arm swing here towards the front. And then if you want to take it nice and full, yeah, there you go, gals. Nice, looking good. Ooh. Just listening to your body, finding out where your range of motion is today. You know, every day it's a little bit different, depending on what we did this weekend. All right, super active, you might be a little sore. You know, if you kind of hung out and relaxed a little bit, might be a little stiff. So we're going to just work that out nice and easy. Beautiful. Nice. Give me just about 3 and 2 and 1. Beautiful. How about some hip circles? Now, if we need a little extra balance assistance, go ahead and grab a wall or a chair, or you can keep that foot on the ground and just make some circles around. Beautiful. So remember, we got 3 exercises coming up, standing up, 3 on the floor. We're going to run through each of those sets of 3 twice. And I'm going to stick to 45 seconds on each one. Nice. Good. If you're feeling that little balance challenge, let's take it. Foot off the ground a little bit. Now remember, when we're doing these circles, let's switch legs. I'll show you. We want to have a little bend in that standing knee. All right, so we're not locking it out. Never, ever want to lock that knee out. Good. Keeping to the floor or bringing it up, whatever feels good, wherever you are today. Nice deep breaths. All right, we're just going to do a couple of lateral raises with those arms coming up in 3, in 2, in 1. Let's raise those arms up as high as they'll go. Ooh, nice. All the way back down. Let's settle those shoulders back down. One more time up, and then we'll get ready to pick up those hand weights or bottles, whatever we have that we're going to be using for resistance today. Last time. Nice deep breath. Oh, big stretch to the ceiling and back down. Nice. Kick it out. Shake it out. Right on. Let's get started. Grabbing those hand weights, and I'm going to show you our first movements. All right. So first, we're just going to do a simple squat. Racking those weights right up by your shoulders or holding them down. Feet are a little bit wider than hip width apart. We're just going to squat it back and up. And it's going to be a nice small squat. Good. Yeah, come along. Good. Starting 45 seconds here. Your squat, belly button into spine, keeping that booty squeezed. Nice. And stacking up, we want to make sure those weights are right next to those shoulders. Shoulders are staying above those knees and above those ankles as we push the hips back and come up. We got just about 20 seconds left here. Nice. Also option to hold them down by the side, but just keeping those weights hanging down right there, just adding that little bit of resistance. Beautiful. Than we would have otherwise. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Beautiful. So same idea with our second movement. It's going to be lunges. All right. Stacking those weights here or holding them down by the side. Feet hip width apart. Step it back. All right. Remember, our feet are going to be facing the same direction, and then you can just pulse it down. Pulse it down, or you can just hold it here. Nice. Pulse it down or hold it down. Good. Weights down to the side. We're just going to do about 20 seconds on each side. So we've got about 10 seconds left. We're stacked here. Adding that little bit of resistance. Nice. And 3. And 2. Or just holding it here. And 1. Beautiful. Feet together. Take it back. Make sure you have that nice wide stance. Nice and sturdy. Feet are facing the same direction. Stacked. And you can just pulse it up and down. Nice. Making sure that that knee does not go too far forward. But as long as you concentrate on your knee, on the back leg, just going up and down. Now, remember, if we need a little bit of assistance, we can use that wall, get a little weight. Give me 3. And 2. Woo. And 1. Beautiful. Nice. Now, we're going to use that lunge stance, but a static motion, because we're going to do some rows now. So I want you to get a nice stable lunge there. Hand is going to be on your thigh, not on the knee. Nice. And we're just going to row back and forth. Now I have both weights in one hand. Good. Row it up and down. Good. 20 seconds on one side, and then we're going to switch 20 seconds on the other. So this is coming straight up the side of my body. Nice. I don't want it to go too far out. Not like out like this. Good. Right up the side. Get 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to switch those weights. Now feel free to drop one weight, or if you have a water bottle, please don't try and hold 2 water bottles in one hand, although that'd be pretty cool. Nice. Good. The little hand weights just happen to fit together that way, so we can have that option. Good. Now we are almost done with this first round. We're going to go back to those squats and then to the lunges. Yeah. Good little bend in that back knee. Good. I'm seeing you guys have that. I was going to lock it out a little bit. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Nice. Shake it out. We're going to go back to those squats, racking the weights or holding them down, whichever way you like. Feet forward. 3, 2, and 1. Sit it back and up. Nice. Back and up. Now remember, you could do a sit to stand. You could have them racked and sit in a chair and sit back up again. Nice. Holding to the side or up to the top. Just thinking about keeping shoulders above those knees, above those toes. I also like to think about, give me about 15 seconds here, a wall maybe right in front of you that you are not crossing, so you don't want to be leaning forward into that wall. Nice. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. Awesome. We're all done with squats today. How about that? Lunchtime. Lunchtime. It's not like lunchtime, but it's lunchtime. So we're going to step back. Make sure those feet are hip width apart. Good. A little bend down. You can pulse, or you can just leave it here. Nice. Beautiful. Or down. Ooh. All right. So we got 3, and 2. That's burning. And 1. Nice. Switch. Just about 20, 25 seconds on this side. Good. Feet are going to be facing same direction. Keep that just nice. Back, or you can pulse it down. Good. We're already 10 seconds in. Just doing about 22, 23 seconds on each side. You know, I'm not super technical about that. All right. How about holding for 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. I'll never have you hold for way too long. Okay, well, remember, one more standing movement, then we're going to take it to the ground. So I'm going to put those weights in the same hand, getting that nice little lunge forward. Belly button into spine. Just giving yourself some stabilization. You could also do this on a chair if you like. Give yourself a little bit of stability. All right, we just got about 10 seconds left here. Good. Squeezing that back muscle. Good. Nice. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Switching sides. And we're all done. We're going to take it to the ground after this. Back. Good. Looking good. Keep it up. I see you. I see you. All right, we got 5 seconds left here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out. This is a great time. Get a little towel off. Drink of water if you need. We're going to take it down to the ground. Take those weights down there. And then I'm going to head on down there too. We're going to be on our back for all of these movements. So first one is going to be a bridge. So we want those feet close into the hips. And we're going to add a little bit of weight by putting those weights on our hips, lifting up and down. Remember, belly button squeeze the spine. Go ahead and join me when you're ready. All right, if you have any issues with your lower back, then we want to make sure we leave those weights off. And you can just do a little pelvic tilt, or you can do an unweighted bridge. All right, but if we are here and everything is feeling good, let's go ahead and we can add a little bit of weight on to those hips. Good, looking good. And give me 3 and 2. You're looking at the ceiling. I'm looking at you. And 1. Beautiful. Next one is a chest press. So I want you to take those weights right above the chest, not above your head. Always think we don't want to drop anything on our face. All right, down here, right above the bra line. And we're going to take those hands down right to the side and back up again. Beautiful. Down nice and slow to the ground and back up again. Nice and controlled, keeping those weights right above the elbows. Good. We got about 30 seconds here. And as we raise those arms up, we're going to give a little breath out. So this is a chest press. I'm going to switch it up for another chest movement here. And it is going to be a chest fly. I want to show you the difference. So right now we're pressing up to the ceiling, pressing up to the ceiling, and back down again. Good. And give me 3, and 2, and 1. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn our weight so that they're facing each other, and then we're going to bend our elbows so we're giving a nice big bear hug. All right, got a big bear hug. We're going to open those arms to the side, and then we're going to close them back up again, keeping that bear hug. All right, so we got a big ball on our chest here, and we are going to squeeze it and then release it. Give it a big hug. We're all about hugs here, right? Hug and open. Hug and open. And this is a chest fly. All right. So keep those shoulders down away from the ears. We're going to go just about maybe 10 more seconds here. And then we're going to go back to the bridge. All right. Almost done with this first round in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Let's take those weights down to the hips. All right. So if everything's feeling good, we're going to go ahead for that full bridge. Lift it up and down. Just a little bit of extra weight on those hips. Good. Belly button into spine. Squeeze it up. Nice. Keeping that rear end squeezed. Looking at the ceiling. Or if you're lucky enough to be outside, then looking up at the sky. Couple deep breaths. Let's take just about 15 more seconds here, and then we're going to hit those chest presses, chest flies, and then we'll stretch and get you on out of here. Sound good? You don't have to answer me. All right, not getting answers anyway. Yes, that sounds good. You guys are awesome. Keep on working out. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Chest press with those hands right above the bra line, the chest. We're going to open it up to the sides, bend those elbows down, and press it up. Nice. So it brings it down into kind of a little sideways goalpost. Goalpost. Nice. Breathe it out as you come up. About 30 more seconds here. We're going to hit those flies, and then it is time for a nice stretch. You guys can get on with your day. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, getting ready for those flies in 3, in 2, and in 1. Let's turn those weights, those palms towards each other. Open up into a nice round little bear hug and open and squeeze shut. Beautiful. Looking good, crew. Loving it. Speaking of our live crew, if you want to join us, always remember, just pop over to exercisetofeelgood.com or brithallfitness.com and you can register for classes. Join us here. It gives you a little bit extra accountability. Nice. Loving it. Keep it going. We just got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Let's go ahead. Take those weights, put them off to the side. All right. We're going to take one leg down, bring one knee into the chest. You can grab behind the thigh or on that shin. Remember, we always want to stay away from our knee joint. If you're feeling really crazy this morning, you can go ahead and try and grab to those feet. Oh, nice. Feels good. Other side, one leg out, one leg in. Nice. Let's let that deep breaths in and out. Beautiful. Here we go. Get a little wild. Grab down for that foot. Oh my gosh. Whew. All right. How about both knees in? Nice. Beautiful. How about grabbing those feet? Oh, nice. Beautiful stretch. Looking good. All right. How about a nice full reach out? A nice big I. Reaching those arms out as high as you can. You can open them up into that Y. Nice. Take it out into the T and down into the W. Beautiful. All the way back up into the Y. Let's go ahead and bring it back on up. Take it into a tabletop position. Beautiful. And we're going to get that nice cat-cow stretch. Beautiful. So, cat, we're going to arch it up. Let that head drop down in between the shoulders. Nice deep breath. Sway the back. That nice cow. Looking good, crew. Oh, yeah, of course. And then we can go for the unicorn and a unicorn. Love it. Love it. You guys are the best. How about some bird dogs? One arm out, one leg out, little stretch. We can take it in for a tuck if we want. Back out. And down. Reach out other side. Bring it in. And out. And down. Love it. Let's go ahead. Take it back on up. We're going to finish up with some circles. Beautiful. Taking those feet about hip width apart. Arms up. Let's come on down to a flat back. Circle it all the way around. Loving it. How about as far down as we can go? Bring it all the way back up again. Nice job, crew. Well, we've done it. We've gotten back down to the end of our workout. We're going to hit those hugs. So let's open that chest up nice and wide. Beautiful. One arm over the other. Give yourself a nice stretch. Roll those shoulders back. Deep breath. Open again. We're going to close up the other arm over the top. You're going to give yourselves a pat on the back. Kudos to you. Great job. Thank you for joining me. I will see you tomorrow. Peace, and get out there and have a great